In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add login and sign up pages in Base44. First, open the Base4 app in your browser. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're seeing the projects you actually want to work on. From the main navigation, click Apps. This takes you to a list of your applications. Find the app where you want authentication and open it. You'll land on the apps area where you can manage and build features. Head into the dashboard for this app. Think of the dashboard as your control center. This is where you'll access the tools that shape how your users experience the product. From here, we're going into the area that controls access and sign in. Open Settings. Depending on your layout, settings may be in the left sidebar or along the top, but it's the same place where global app options live. Inside Settings, choose Authentication. This section is dedicated to user sign-in and sign-up. Base44 centralizes authentication here so you can enable providers and let the platform generate and wire up the default login and sign-up pages for you. It also manages sessions and security under the hood, which saves time and avoids having to build this from scratch. Start with email and password authentication. Enable it. When this is on, Base44 provides a standard login form and a separate sign-up form that collect email and password, handle validation, and route users accordingly. Take a moment to review any available options you see, such as requiring email verification or adjusting password rules, and use sensible defaults if you're unsure. The key is that with the toggle enabled, the login and sign-up experience becomes available to your app immediately. Next, enable Google Authentication. Turn on the Google option in the same authentication panel. This adds Continue with Google to your auth pages so users can sign in without creating a separate password. If the panel prompts you for auth details, enter them securely and double-check any suggested redirect URLs inside Base44 so they match what your Google configuration expects. If you don't have those credentials yet, you can still enable the option and return later to complete the fields. Just avoid sharing any sensitive keys publicly. With both email and password and Google turned on, you can return to your app's dashboard and preview the experience. You should see a login page and a sign-up page ready to use, each reflecting the providers you enabled. Test both paths to confirm they work as expected, then save your changes. That's all it takes to add robust login and sign-up pages in Base4.